Every year around Christmas, millions of people fall into the same trap. A trap wrapped in shiny paper, covered in lights, and sprinkled with holiday spirit. But underneath, it's the same trap that leaves people broke in January, stressed in February, and behind on bills in March. And before you get defensive, let me tell you something. I'm not judging you, because I've been there too. We all have. And here's the funny part. We know it's a trap, yet and still, we walk right into it every single year. Almost like the holidays hypnotize us. We say things like, I'll fix it next year, or this is the last time, I want the kids to have a good Christmas, or I'll pay it off later. But later always shows up. Today we're breaking down the Christmas money trap, why people fall for it, how companies manipulate it, and how regular people can escape it forever. But first, you need to understand the mindset behind it. Chapter 1, the most expensive holiday of the year. Christmas is the most expensive holiday in America. Over $960 billion was spent last year. And here's the crazy part. Most people didn't pay with cash. They paid with credit cards, buy now, pay later, payday loans, Klarna, Afterpay, and sometimes rent money. And before you think, that can never be me, just wait, because the trap doesn't start with money. It starts with pressure. Chapter 2, the pressure game. The Christmas trap doesn't start in December. It starts in October, sometimes even September. Stores put Christmas decorations out before the Halloween candy expires. Why? Because if they rush Christmas into your life, it makes you feel behind. And when you feel behind, you start spending emotionally instead of logically. This creates the first trap, the pressure to keep up. Pressure to buy gifts, decorate, show love through money, match what other families are doing, not disappoint the kids, look successful, avoid feeling cheap. And companies know this. They design marketing around one idea. If you don't buy something, you're not a good parent, partner, or friend. But the pressure isn't just public. It's in our relationships too. That relationship pressure. Christmas becomes a competition instead of a connection. Who bought the better gifts? Who got the big item? Who did more? And just like that, Christmas turns into comparison instead of love. Chapter 3, the guilt loop. A lot of people overspend during Christmas because they're trying to fix something. Fix a bad year, personal regrets, parenting guilt, financial mistakes, childhood trauma, the feeling that they didn't give enough. So we try to make up for 11 months in one weekend. But money can't fix feelings. It only hides them until the bill comes. And let's talk about the bill. Chapter 4, the credit card Christmas. Here's the truth. Most people don't buy Christmas. They rent Christmas because the average American doesn't have $500 in savings. So what do? Swipe, swipe, swipe. And the numbers are brutal. 48% of Americans go into debt for Christmas. Average amount, $1,150. And because most people make minimum payments, that $1,150 slowly becomes $1,300, $1,450, $1,700, and so on. Not because of gifts, because of interest. Here's the joke nobody laughs at. That $300 gift you buy, by the time you finish paying it off, you've paid almost double. And companies know this. That's why they hit you with flash sale, countdown timer, only 2 left, deal ends tonight. It rushes your brain into buying now and thinking later. That's the trap. Chapter 5, the $400 Christmas lesson. One year I bought my kids an arcade 1-up Mortal Kombat machine for Christmas. It cost me $400. It's a big box, looked amazing. I thought, this is the one. They're gonna love this. And they did. On Christmas morning, they played it that day, maybe a couple days after. Then, they never touched it again. For the next 2 years, that thing sat in the corner like a statue. And guess what? I was still paying it off. That's the part nobody talks about. A lot of the stuff we buy for Christmas, the kids lose interest in it within a week. We're going broke for temporary moments, not lasting value. Chapter 6, The Culture Trap. Growing up, especially in families who didn't have much, Christmas was a big deal. It wasn't just a holiday, it was a moment to make the whole year feel better. And because of that, a lot of us grew up believing that the kids need the newest stuff, Christmas spirit means buying until you're broke, love equals gifts, if you don't go big, you fail, and if the tree doesn't look full, something's wrong. So we overspend, even when we know we can't afford it. This isn't about money, this is about history. This is about feeling like you missed out as a kid and not wanting your kids to feel the same way. But here's the truth. You can create beautiful memories without destroying your financial future. The magic wasn't the gifts. It was the people. It was the love. It was the moments that didn't cost anything. That's the part we forget, because the Christmas trap makes us chase the wrong things. Chapter 7, The Escape Plan, Step by Step. Step 1, stop buying on emotion. If you can't buy it calmly, you're not buying smart. Step 2, set a holiday budget before December. Money you plan is money you protect. Step 3, use cash or debit. If you don't have the money, it's not the right time. Step 4, cut unnecessary gifts. Presents versus presents. Step 5, start a Christmas fund in January. $20 a week, you'll have $1,000 by Christmas. Step 6, spread out buying over the year. December is the most expensive month. Step 7, talk to your family. Like, normalize. We're not doing a big Christmas this year. Now, if this message is hitting you and you're tired of repeating the same Christmas mistakes, please hit that like and subscribe button. This is Wealth Mode, where we build money and mindset. All right, back to the video. Chapter 8, The Real Christmas Trap. The real trap isn't money, it's identity. We think Christmas proves something, that we're good parents, that we're doing well, that we care, that we're successful. But none of that is true. Christmas doesn't change your value. Gifts don't measure your love. Your worth is not inside a shopping cart. You are enough. Your presence matters more than presents. Chapter 9, Imagine next year. Imagine a Christmas with no debt, no fear, no guilt, no stress, no regret. Just peace, just joy, just the people you love. That's not a fantasy, that's a plan. And it starts today. The trap isn't Christmas, it's us. But the good news, we can change, we can learn, we can build, we can break cycles. Christmas isn't the problem, our habits are. But habits can be rebuilt, mindsets can be rewired, and wealth can be created. One smart move at a time. This is Wealth Mode.